You gotta love it, guys. You gotta love it. Another day with another piece of news out of Palantir causing the stock to go all freaking over the place. I mean, look, when we got the news this morning, the stock ended up going up around 11%, but now it's down around 4%, meaning we're down about 15% from the intraday high. And the news that we got this morning is another partnership. We got Palantir and Panasonic Group Company entering a multi-year partnership to deliver an Operation Smart Factory for the Panasonic Energy of North America facility in Sparks, Nevada, however the heck you say that, that state, guys. I'm sorry if you guys live in Nevada, but I don't know exactly how to say it. I've only been to Vegas twice. I mean, hey, what can I say? But overall, that's the news that we got. We're going to break that down more later in the video, but first, let's break down the charts. And actually, before we do that, don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Each of those could be valued up to $2,000. All you guys got to do is go down below, use that link, open up your account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. Now, cheers, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So once we got that news, guys, Palantir stock ended up going to about $17.15, $17.16 to be exact. You guys can see at one point it was up around 11%, almost 11.5% on the day. Then all of a sudden, boom, we got destroyed, and now we're down almost 5%, more like 4.5% so far on the day, which, mind you, it's only about, well, not only, I mean, the day's almost over, but it's about 1:45 p.m., so we do have about 2 hours left of trading. But since that point, 17.16, we are now down, let me see here, about 15% from the intraday high. So we are seeing a legitimate sell-off on the intraday chart, which might spark the question, Stas, is Palantir stock now finally starting to sell off? Is it breaking trend? Should the bulls sell? Well, actually, I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you to buy or sell, but you're probably asking yourself, is it going to dump even further now? Well, let's take a look at these charts and break down what in the world is going on. So on the intraday, again, it's clearly selling off. We're under the moving averages. We have a death cross, all that jazz, right? And on the 5-day chart, you're going to see, wait a second, we're actually holding trend. Look at that. We're holding higher lows on this 5-day, 5-minute, even though Palantir stock is getting decimated during the day. Pulling back the layers a little bit more, you guys can see on the 10-day chart, it is also still holding trend and fighting right around that 180 SMA, which, mind you guys, has held over the past couple of weeks. So let's pull up the 20-day chart now and see what that is looking like. Looks like Palantir is holding trend on this time frame as well, right around $14.50. So if you're panicking right now, if you're freaking out, you're like, oh my God, Palantir is down 15% from the intraday high, freaking relax, guys. Take a chill pill, take a sip of your coffee, freaking drink some water, relax, because the trend is still holding, and quite frankly, this is healthy. I mean, we were just going up and away for weeks. We needed to see a pullback like this, and now we're getting it. And mind you guys, we took the highs out this morning. I mean, earlier today, we hit 17.16 for Pete's sake, guys. We clearly broke out of the highs from yesterday, the day before that, and for the couple of weeks before that as well. I mean, guys, we're at a multi-month high right now on Palantir, so even though it's down 5%, I mean, if you look at that, you open up your app, you see it's down 5%, which is not good, I guess. Even though that's the case, guys, we're still holding trend. We're still taking the highs out. Well, we took the highs out, earlier today. I mean, we destroyed the highs earlier today. There's really no need to panic. I mean, there's no need to freak out. And honestly, I don't think anybody is freaking out. I just think we're getting some profit taking. I don't know. But overall, look, trend is still holding on the 1 hour chart, the 5-day, like I said, the 10-day chart, and of course, on the 4-hour chart as well. You guys can see if I pull that time frame up, we're going to see, okay, we're still holding above the 50 SMA, and we're well above the 180 SMA, which is at about $10.50. So let's see what happens here in the mid to high 14s. This is going to be a very big spot for the bulls. If buyers come in at around mid-high 14s, we could potentially see this make another move back to 15 plus, 16 plus. Maybe it starts going 17, and honestly, it might consolidate for a couple of days. It doesn't have to necessarily necessarily go up later today, maybe tomorrow or the next day. It could consolidate a little bit and maybe shoot up next week for all we know. I don't know, but right now we're pulling back 5%, and we have to see what the stock does in the mid-high 14s, and honestly, just the $14 dollar range in general. So let me pull up the Safari tab very quickly, guys, so we can see what's going on here with Palantir and dive deeper into this piece of news that came out regarding their deal with Panasonic. And again, this came out this morning. So based on what we're seeing here, and again, this is straight from Palantir's investor relations. All you guys got to do to access this is, of course, pay me $1,000 for my Venmo down below. Just kidding, guys. I mean, geez, go to Google, type in Palantir investor relations, and you'll find it there on Google. But look, Palantir Technologies and Panasonic Energy, a Panasonic Group company, a global leader in high-quality lithium-ion batteries, today announced a multi-year partnership to deliver an operations, quote, smart factory for the Panasonic Energy of North America. PENA is what that, I guess, the acronym or whatever the heck that is. Facility in Sparks, Nevada. I think it's Nevada, right? Either way, guys, whatever. The company has selected Palantir's Foundry to help integrate edge sensors across factory lines, introduce automated efficiencies, and enable operational users on factory floors to leverage connected operations. The agreement expands Palantir's signature platform, including artificial intelligence and, of course, edge capabilities in the manufacturing space. Driven by Foundry and informed by Pena's expertise, the smart factory will be utilized across the entirety of the information technology and operational organization within Pena. Using Foundry, the system will guide operational decision-making in their existing Nevada factory as well as the new facility in DeSoto, Kansas, starting in 2025. This strategic partnership is intended to provide the battery leader with the ability to quickly generate meaningful cost savings and increase return on investment once implemented. And you guys can see if I come down a little bit more, quote, we engage Palantir to assist on our journey towards a connected factory by addressing the challenges of disparate, excuse my English, guys, geez, data systems and manual workarounds leading to inaccurate data analysis, said Justin Herman, Chief Information Officer of Pena. And within Foundry, we were able to operationalize our data and within months reduce waste throughout our manufacturing process and over multiple use cases across functional groups. Foundry is assisting in driving operational excellence for Pena, enabling or rather empowering our people through accurate data-driven decision-making and delivering significant ROI per year, and we are just getting started. Let's go, baby. So another deal here with Palantir. We just got another one a couple days ago. I think it was a 4-year, 5-year, $460 million deal. I forget exactly the details of that, but that's from my memory what I remember. So that's pretty good news out of Palantir, guys, and that's what's causing the stock to make a move. Well, at least that's what caused it to initially make a move, and now let me see where it's trading at, guys. It was down around 4.5%. Now we're looking at it down over 5%. So like I said earlier in the video, let's see what happens here in the $14 range, mid-14s. Will bulls come in? Will they drop the ball? I don't know. Stay tuned, guys, because we will make more content on this stock. We'll do another update, so make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to get up to 16 free stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000 by using that link down below. Opening up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. If you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you want to help out the channel, and of course, if you want some free money, who doesn't like free money, use that Moomoo link down below, join the channel membership, check out my Patreon, all that good stuff. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.